Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we dive into the world of electric vehicles and sustainability. Today, we're talking about a Canadian tech company that's made headlines with their $20 million all-electric car project, Project Arrow. Imagine an entire Canadian car built from homemade parts, designed to showcase our country's capabilities in manufacturing next-gen electric vehicles. That's what the Automotive Parts Manufacturers Association of Canada has achieved with Project Arrow, and it's a game-changer for the automotive industry. This self-driving system-equipped car features not one, but three incredible innovations: a 3D printed chassis, cameras for side mirrors, and yes, you guessed it, a hardwood floor made from Canadian maple. And let me tell you, Simon Gill, Director of Investment Durham, is thrilled to have sat in the first car he's ever been in with that particular feature. It's a wooden floor, folks. But what's behind this impressive project? As we all know, tariffs are becoming increasingly important when it comes to electric vehicles. The US President Donald Trump's tariff war has made EVs more expensive, which could lead to fewer consumers opting for electric cars. That's where Project Arrow comes in, a symbol of Canada's determination to manufacture these vehicles entirely at home. With the price of EVs closing in on that of gas-powered counterparts, we can expect to see more of this type of innovation and collaboration between tech companies and automotive partners across Canada. As we look to the future, it's clear that Project Arrow is just the beginning. The Automotive Parts Manufacturers Association of Canada has shown us what's possible when we come together as a nation to invest in our industries and push the boundaries of electric vehicle technology. At Electro Drive News, we'll continue to bring you updates on this exciting story and explore how it will shape the automotive industry for years to come. Until next time, stay charged.